Yeah, of course, hoping for some maybe brighter weather. Unfortunately, today, though, a lot more gloomy skies. We've been tracking some showers through the overnight hours and even some patchy drizzle across parts of the area. Should start to wrap up over the next few hours after sunrise this morning. And then we just return to a lot of cloud cover today. But take advantage maybe of the dry weather. At least you can get outside. However, we've got more rain right back into the forecast for Wednesday and Thursday. Some showers, some thunderstorms possible, especially Thursday evening, where there's even a chance for a couple stronger storms in the forecast. Right now, though, rain continuing to shift to the south and to the east, starting to move out of our region. We're still dealing with some light showers, though, from about Union City back over near Hickman, Kentucky. Mayfield, Kentucky also seeing some light showers. Murray as well. And then back into the Boot Hill, Missouri from Malden southward over near Caruthersville and Hayti. Still also tracking a few light showers through those areas. Further to the north, much of southern Illinois, it has been patchy drizzle. It has been stubborn and has lingered through much of the overnight hours, adding maybe about a 100th, 2/100ths or so into the rain gauge. Not a whole lot of measurable rain out there, but live view from Mount Vernon this morning and looking like dry roads there. So some of our northern counties have missed out on some of the drizzle. You don't have to go too far to the south, though, before you start running into some of that wet weather. 40 in Mount Vernon, 42 in Marion. We've got 45 in Paducah, 46 currently in Union City, while Portageville, Missouri is at 44 degrees. And of course, low pressure right now to our south and east. There's the storm system bringing some of the showers. We even had a few thunderstorms in our far southern counties late last night. However, all of that starting to come to an end and move out of our region. High pressure will start to briefly build in today, and that means some dry weather by this afternoon. Big storm system, though, still moving onto the west coast this morning, and with that, it is bringing some rain, quite a bit of snow up into the mountains of California and parts of Nevada now actually dealing with some of that snow as well. That is our big storm system in here for Wednesday and Thursday. By 9 a.m., showers starting to exit to our south and east. A lot of clear clouds cover still lingering around through the afternoon. There is a small chance by around sunset tonight we could see a few breaks in the clouds. But then looking ahead to Wednesday, here comes the next round of rain. Notice it's out to our west here, starting to move into the region and kind of passes right over top of our area about midday. Some showers, possibly a couple rumbles of thunder with this. Not anticipating severe weather on Wednesday, but there is some potential here for some heavier rain and then more rain into the forecast for Thursday. Thursday actually shaping up to likely be the wettest day this week. And Thursday evening, winds are really going to start to pick up out of the south, and that may help fuel a couple stronger storms there Thursday night. 2 to 3 inches of rainfall expected. Most of that is going to fall on a Wednesday and Thursday. So there is some concern for some localized flooding. And then by Thursday night, here's the chance for some stronger storms. The Storm Prediction Center highlighting everywhere you see here in the green color. That is a marginal risk. That is a 1 on a scale of 1 to 5. But the yellow color here, southeast Missouri, far southwest Illinois, parts of western Kentucky also highlighted it, and a slight risk. Some of these storms could potentially produce some damaging winds. Again, that is arriving in here Thursday evening. So something we'll continue to track and keep an eye on as we get a little bit closer. Today, lunchtime temperature here on a St. Patrick's Day running about 50 degrees, 54 degrees this afternoon. Winds will be out of the north and east today. And then this evening, mostly cloudy skies dropping back into the mid 40s by midnight tonight. And we'll start off low to mid 40s on Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon, jumping back into the 60s, but showers, maybe a couple thunderstorms. And then Thursday, the first day of spring, and it is going to feel like it. Temperatures in the low 70s, showers, some thunderstorms, chance for a couple strong storms. If that's not spring, I don't know what is. And then Friday morning, of course, waking up, temperatures in the mid 60s and then dropping into the afternoon back into the upper 40s as another cold front sweeps through and cools things down as we get a little closer to the weekend. In fact, Saturday morning, we could actually deal with some temperatures back below freezing. Yeah, temperature about 30 degrees there on Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon jumping back into the mid 40s and then warming back up early next week. But it seems like every time we're warming up, we're talking about rain in the forecast, and that will be the case in here with another storm system set for Monday and Tuesday of next week.